In this video, I will show you how to make rava halwa with milk and caramelized sugar, which gives very different taste to the suji halwa. For this, we need 1 cup of suji, also known as semolina or rava. Add 3 cups of milk into the suji. Mix it well and let it stand for 10 minutes. So in 1 cup suji, also known as semolina, I am adding 3 cups of milk. Mix it well, and now the measurement shows the 4 cup, which is 1 cup of suji and 3 cups of milk. Then we need 1 cup of sugar. Need half cup of shredded coconut, which is optional but it gives a good taste to the halwa. Some nuts of your choice. And we need handful of raisin, which I soaked in water. Now take a non-stick pan. We need a non-stick pan because we are going to add a very less of oil or ghee. I am taking only 4 tablespoons of ghee. You can also use olive oil. Then add sugar into it. Mix it well. With the continuous stirring on the medium flame, we are going to cook the sugar until it's melt and the oil separates out. It will take approximately 7 to 8 minutes. It depends upon the cooking range and the pan you used. Now the sugar start melting. With the continuous stirring, we will let the sugar melt. And the white sugar also change the color with a little light brown. You can also use the non-refined sugar, which is brown in color. It's what the sugar is available in your house. We just need to caramelize the sugar. Now in this video you see that the sugar is melted and caramelized. And the oil is separate out from the sugar. Now we will add nuts and the green cardamom into it. I will also add the raisins. I will just squeeze the raisins from the water and add to the mixture. Mix it well. Then also add the coconut into it. Mix it well and then now mix the rava soaked in the milk well and then add that mixture into the caramelized sugar. Mix it well. You see in this video the caramelized sugar now becomes a candy type when we add the rava with the milk. We will cook this mixture on the medium flame, and now while mixing it, the caramelized sugar will melt automatically. We are going to cook this on the medium flame until all the mixture become thick. Now you see the mixture is start getting thick. It will take approximately 10 minutes more to cook the rava well. Once it's dry up, we will cover with the lid and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes with continuous stirring. Like this, if you have any caramelized sugar chunks in the rava, it will also melt. Now all the milk from the rava dries up, and this is how the final look of the rava. This rava is very good in taste as we make it in a different style with the caramelized sugar and with the very less of ghee, and is very yummy, and the texture of this rava is little sticky, and the taste of the rava is awesome. So you must try this recipe at your home. Once the rava is ready to serve, garnish the rava with the pistachios. And this rava is very good in taste. You must try this recipe. It gives a different taste to the suji halwa with the milk and caramelized sugar. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and forward to your friends, and also click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.